Hi. So, I know it's raining, I know it's windy, but I'm not editing this video, it's going straight up. I know I haven't uploaded recently. I haven't given up on YouTube, don't worry, it's sad. But it's been a rough 2 weeks. So you can see the bug on my eyes. I hope the sound quality isn't too bad. I don't even know what to talk about. As you can see, still doing my walks. Walking from the shop, but you know. What's new? I beat my brother in a game of chess. He went easy on me, but I don't care. Coming out of lockdown soon, well, hopefully. My goddaughter went to school today, Friday. I think it's Friday. All the kids are going back slowly. I don't go back to college till late April, because that's when my next school starts. Let me know how your 2 weeks have gone in the comment section below. If you know. Oh wow, car. I'm trying to talk to YouTube here. Let me know how it went in the comment section below. Hold on, there's a person. There's two people. Hold on. Sweet one, I think. Just let you know that I will be back. I will be back. No, sweet Jesus, no, I should never do that. I never will again. I apologise and will take accountability for that one. I don't know why, because I know what I'm doing. I'm making bad puns on purpose and I shouldn't, and I apologise. So I'll let you get on with your day and your week and your life, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!